This is Asal Khan here to teach you business studies, Cambridge O-Level 7115 paper code. I'm going to teach you today types of production. Before we move on to the content, I want you to subscribe my channel and also please do not forget to hit the bell button and notification bar because it will notify you whenever I upload a video. Let's move on to the topic types of production. This is most of the time listed on operations management, guys. I'm going to go on to this point. There are three types of production. I'm going to explain you one by one. So first, types of production. Types of production is divided into three. This can be tested either in paper 1 and paper 2, either for 8 marks or for 12 marks. So I'm going to speak job production, batch production, and also I'm going to teach you flow production. So these are the three types of production which is tested in your exam. So let me start with the first production. I just need to represent it in a better way, guys. So I'm gonna sketch something. I'm not a good drawing artist, but I'll do something what I can do. So I'll take this as a business, a box. So there's a person, and you are going to have a haircut. Okay, you are going to have a haircut with this person. Now, when this person is going to have a haircut, he is going to give you a haircut. He might specifically go and ask what type of haircut you need, how I can make it so beautiful, what are the ways I can do styling. I'm not a hairstyle artist, but these are basic questions they can ask when it comes to job production. Now, what is job production? Now, this person is understanding one person's need. This is what we say, understanding one individual customer's need and giving a service for that particular customer's need is known as job production. So job production speaks about you are trying to satisfy only one person's need, not trying to satisfy the whole market. You are just concerned about that one person. The good thing of job production is, guys, you will have a good customer relationship because you are concerned about that one particular customer's satisfaction. Second thing is customer loyalty will be always there. They will be so much they will be so much happy because you are so much concerned about their hair and you will be giving a great satisfaction for them. So number two, the first one is good relationship. Customer satisfaction is like good customer relationship, and also customer loyalty can also be made with the job production. Is so great. But on the other side, to make the job production, if I have a own beauty salon or if I have own certain people to work under me, I need to make them trained. So getting trained employees is very costly to me. So I can't when I chop and cut her head and something went wrong, guys, it will become a bad name for me. So reputation can damage more badly than getting affected one of these productions. So you need to be very careful when you are dealing with the customer. Understanding them will take a lot of time, and working for their specification will always give you a lot of time. You need a lot of trained employees, you need a lot of money, investment, expensive, very expensive, guys. So for example, if a actor is asking a private jet is a part of job production because it says private jet. So one person's need, the jet will be made for that specification of that particular customer. So doing a product by understanding a particular customer's need is known as job production. As I given the advantages and disadvantages, I'm going to move on to the second production method, batch production. What is batch production, guys? Batch production means producing the product at batches for a certain customer, certain group of customers. Now here it is one customer, here group of customers. Why it is group of customers? Because you are trying to produce something and you are trying to give to one set of customers. Now you take a school uniform as an example. In a school, you might see all the students should wear the same type of uniform. This is a part of batch production. Why is that? When they wear the same uniform, it represents a group of customers. So it becomes a part of what production? Batch production. So batch production, good thing is it reduces the time than job production. When you are writing the advantages and disadvantages of batch production, you should take always compare your job production and flow production. It is very it saves a lot of time than job production. It is not expensive it is very cheap than job production. It is training and knowledge is somewhat if the employees are trained moderately, it's more than enough for them to get the work done. And the disadvantage of batch production it might, when they are setting from one batch to another, it takes a lot of time. When employees are in one batch, it's like they are producing the same thing, they will feel a bit bored of what they are doing, but not to the level of pro production, somewhat again, but still they get a bit bored. And also whenever they are changing another move, some people will not like the things to change always, and that will bring some sort of decreasing motivation on the employee. So batch production is a bit costly, but not to the level of job production, and not expensive to the level of job production, but bit costly. When they are changing from one process to another process, people will get, they will feel, some people will be comfortable in one process, and the changing people will not like the change. So that is batch production's disadvantages which I have given. As I said, batch production reduces the motivation somewhat, and batch production might take a lot of time than flow production, because flow production you produce it in the whole market. Here batch production takes a lot of time, but not to the level of job production. That's the reason I said, when you compare your batch production with job and flow production, compare and speak. When you compare with flow production and speak, you can speak a pro. You can compare with job production and speak a pro, or compare with job production and speak a con, or compare with flow production and speak a con. Con means a disadvantage, pro means an advantage. Now when I speak like batch production's disadvantage with job production, now you might see job production will give you good customer relationship. Here batch production, sometimes customer relationship will not be great, because they are not meeting one person's specification or one person's needs. So there's a lack of customer relationship. That you can speak in that way. Moving on to the last topic for today, flow production. What is flow production? Making a product. Let me take one product, guys. I don't know how to draw this. Let me draw this. This is in my terms, this is Coca-Cola. So if I'm going to produce Coca-Cola is a product which I target to the whole market. When I sell this product to the whole market, I'm just producing one Coca-Cola to the entire market. This will reduce the level of time. This will save a lot of time for me actually, and also this will increase the level of profit for me, because I can achieve something called economies of scale. What can I achieve, guys? Economies of scale. So what is this economies of scale? When I am producing it in a large quantity, my cost of production will decrease and my profit will start to increase. That's why we say that economies of scale. So my cost of production decreases, my profit can increase, because I'm producing it in a large quantity. My cost of production will always be lower for one product. So you need to understand that. So that's one of the good things for production. As they're producing it in a high amount, they can easily sell it to the market, and that product can be very successful if it has a customer base. But the disadvantage is high research and development cost, high marketing cost, high investment cost. Machines are very expensive, maintenance cost is very high. So much of disadvantage you can speak when it comes to flow production. So as I given about types of production, like job is one person's need, batches some certain customers needs satisfying, flow the whole market's needs you are trying to satisfy. So this type of production will be listed most of the time on paper 1 or paper 2. You should know this, guys, to score better in your exam. It's one of the tested part. In every paper it will be listed. Anyway, I have given you the information which is very needed for your exams. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel to get to get more videos from me, and also to teach you more in future. See you guys on next video, and I say bye.